Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School E-Class of Standard 8, Subject Science. And today's our topic is force and pressure. My dear students, this is the second session of this chapter. In first session we have learned about the force, effect of forces and types of forces. In this class we will learn about pressure. It is the pressure which is measure of effect of force on a given area. What is the definition of pressure? The thrust acting on the unit area of the surface is called pressure. My dear student, if there is a two container containing moist soil and two bricks, and now I am putting one brick horizontally on that soil and one brick vertically on that another container. What will be the observation? We will observe that the container in which the brick is being inserted vertically will be more inserted in the soil. It will go to greater depth. The weight was the same. Then why the second brick or second container brick is going more deeper? Because of the area. First brick was covering the more area and second brick was covering the lesser area. So that's why it is said that it is the thrust acting on a unit area of the surface is called as pressure. So pressure on the brick, exerted by the brick which was vertically downward was more. Applications. See, the decrease in pressure of a given force through an increase of an surface area over which the force act finds application in a daily life. See, it is not necessary always the pressure is being increased. Somewhere it is to be decreased also. See, the rear side of the bus has double tires. Why? On single tire the bus cannot run. It can run, but it has the two tires at the back side, because to increase the area and decrease the pressure. Pressure is always related to the area. See, another application. Rear wheel of the bus or truck are usually double. High-rise building and dams, you can see the picture of the wall of the dam, have a wide base because to increase the area so that the pressure exerted by the water should be decreased. Tanks and bulldozers are fitted with the caterpillar's tracks rather than the wheels. That bulldozers having the wheels of made chain like structure instead of wheel, because to increase the area, because that tanks are having a very high weight. So weight is more, then the force will be more, pressure will be more. Railway tracks are laid on the large size wooden planks to decrease the pressure. Applications where the pressure is increased. It is not necessary that the pressure is always to be decreased. Somewhere in our daily life pressure is to be increased also. See, you are not able to cut the vegetables with the blunt knife, but instead of that, if you are using a sharp knife, it means sharp knife means the area of that knife is less. If the area will be less, pressure will be more. Nails, pins, spikes have pointed ends so that they can be driven into the surface with minimum effort. Next topic is liquid pressure. Liquid also have a pressure. Liquid also exerts a pressure on a container. See, the liquid exerts by the pressure exerted by the stationary liquid kept in a container at any point inside the liquid, it is said to be as the liquid pressure. So the pressure exerted by the liquid at any point in the liquid is called as liquid pressure. There is one activity. There are two tubes. One end of the tube is connected with the balloon and filled with the water. You will see the balloon will the bulb of the balloon will expand. Again I am pouring some water, again it will expand. This shows that the pressure exerted by the water at the bottom of the container increases with the increase in the height of the column of the water. Another activity, see, there is one container containing one liquid, and at the equal interval of gaps some holes of same size is being made there. You will observe the hole which is at the bottom, the water or the liquid will go with more force or will cover the more distance as compared to the highest one. So the hole which is having at the bottom, at that hole it shows that the water pressure or liquid pressure is high at the lower end because of the height of the liquid. There is another activity, same activity, container, but the holes at the same distance from the upper end but at the opposite sides. Then again the stream of water will come out. You have to cover the distance, the stream which is going up to what distance. You will observe that both the stream will cover the equal distance. So this shows the pressure at the liquid at any point is same. So here is a property of liquid pressure which we have seen in the three activity. What are these properties? Liquid pressure on the bottom of the container does not depends upon the area of the bottom balloon. It does not depend upon the bottom. See, example of balloon, it depend upon the height. It act perpendicular to the base. Liquid pressure at any point inside the liquid depend upon the density of the liquid and height of the column. Again the liquid pressure depends upon the density. Higher the density, more will be the pressure. Lesser the density, less will be the pressure. You can change the liquid. Instead of water you can use the oil. Again you have to observe the distance covered by the stream of the oil. You will see that the oil will not cover the more distance. An exerted pressure applied on the liquid in closed container is transmitted uniformly throughout the liquid. That third activity proves this. Atmospheric pressure. Next topic is atmospheric pressure. My dear students, there are lots of tremendous amount of pressure acting on us, but we are not able to feel. The pressure exerted by the air is called as air pressure or the atmospheric pressure. And air is a mass, air is a matter, and matter has a mass. So huge mass is acting on us. Huge mass of air exerts a pressure at all the points and all the object, even or ourselves also, the huge pressure is acting, but still we are not able to feel it. Why? Why? We will see. We will see. Because this pressure is being cancelled off with the blood pressure. Variation in air pressure. As we move towards the higher altitude, the air pressure goes on decreases. Hence, at the altitude, mountain climbers, mountaineers starts bleeding from their nose. Why? Because at the higher altitude, the air pressure is less and our blood pressure is more. So the capillaries of our nose burst and starts bleeding. Another importance of the atmospheric pressure, see, because of this atmospheric pressure only we are able to drink some liquid, juice, with the help of straw. What is happening there? As you suck the drinks from the straw, the air pressure in the straw becomes low. Air pressure becomes low and the pressure on the surface of the liquid is more. That pressure forces the liquid to move into the straw, and in this way we are able to drink any juice or liquid. Sometimes we use rubber sucker for installing hooks in a room. That sucker comes in contact with some surface. The air is being removed between the two surfaces. Now the air pressure is acting on that sucker. Hence it is being stuck on the surface of the wall. Thank you. Stay at home. Stay safe.